This screencast will show you how to get to our team meeting that will happen on Monday, the 13th at 9 o'clock in the morning. We are going to go to Class Dojo and go to your class story. And if you see on Class Story, we have some events that I have already scheduled. If we look at all of them, you can see that Monday we have our first official day of distance learning. On the 13th, we have our first class meeting, and then we have our spirit days. On Monday through Friday that we get to dress up at our home. So when I go to my first class meeting, I will see a link. That link will take me to Microsoft Teams. When Teams opens, I will click on my Office 365 password and my username and password, and then it will take me to our screen in a second. Here we go. Your screen will have our moose when you get it, and it will say first meeting Monday, April 13th at 9. You will click on that button and then up here in the corner there should be a purple join button or a black join button, and then you will click join, and then it will say join now, and then you will be able to see us in our meeting. And there I am, waiting to be connected, and then we will be able to talk. Once you're in meetings, you will not be able to talk unless you press this button. You will have to wait your turn because we have a lot of kids who will be on there. And this is our video that we will turn off and on when we are talking. This button, if we push it, we can talk by typing, and we can see what everyone else is typing, and we can see who is all there. Right now it just says who could be there. When we're done with our meeting, we're going to press hang up, and then we will leave. And that's how we get to our meeting for Monday.